After unboxing the CT500 Injector Cleaner&Tester, you'll find a fold-out drawer at the bottom with an oil separator, gaskets, and various injector connection heads. The accessory kit includes threaded rods, knurled screws, a cleaning solution drain valve, and 3 pulse signal cables. First, install the cleaning solution drain valve. Be sure to close it after installation. Next, install the threaded rods and knurled screws. Use 4 threaded rods based on injector height. For longer injectors, put 2 rocks on one side. There are 9 connectors ranging from 11 to 15.8 millimeters in diameter, plus BMW connectors. Choose the right connector and then install the injector. If other holes are not to be used, they need to be blocked off with matching plugs. The kit includes 3 pulse signal cables, one from Mercedes, one from BMW, and a universal cable. Cleaning solutions and a testing solution. Use the specialized cleaning solution for cleaning and a non-corrosive testing solution to avoid damaging the oil pump. The CT500 has 3 cleaning functions and 12 testing functions. You can do both internal and surface level cleaning and choose the voltage based on the type of fuel injector you have. The device will beep if you've selected the wrong voltage. After cleaning, open the cleaning solution drain valve to recover or drain it. After testing, open the oil drain valve and take out the liquid level gauge on the side and then drain or recover the solution. If you have any questions or feedback, be sure to talk to me in the comments below.